have a smartwatch packed in this cute little orange box called the GizFit 910 by Gizmo. Now what is so special and different in this smartwatch apart from all the other options available in the market is the fact that it covers all the basic, looks good and is affordable. Okay, let's quickly look at what all you get inside this box. The GizFit 910, of course. It comes with a magnetic charger and a basic user manual. Plus you get all the basic information about the product right here on the box. The watch runs in sync with the Wi-Fit app, which you can download it from the QR code right here on the box. The highlight of the watch is full touch HD resolution with built-in speaker for Bluetooth calling and music. The watch looks good with the metal case around the curved glass and it is priced at 5,999, although it's available online at much less. Okay, now let's wear the watch and see how it feels. It feels pretty comfortable. The watch has a simple user face and single button to switch on and off the display or go back to the UI. The navigation is swipe based. If you swipe up, you get all the basic stats like your daily steps, your heartbeat, your weather, your light sleep and your sleeping pattern, plus your music. If you swipe left, you get the home screen and you get all the apps available. And when you swipe right, you get all the activity tracker like O2. You can also find your phone from here. Your oxygen meter can actually gauge how much oxygen you have in your body right now. You can check it, but the stats are usually not 100% correct. It also depends on how you've taken it. You get other stats like heart rate, sleep pattern, weather, calling, music. And when you swipe right, you get your O2 as well, stopwatch, sport. You also get a breather where you can actually see how your breathing is on day-to-day basis. You got a touch to start. It asks you to stay still for 3 seconds. Inhale. So for 60 seconds, it actually looks at your breathing pattern. The strap is comfortable and airy, which helps in sweaty situation, obviously because we wear the watch all day long, right? Through the Wi-Fit app, you can check your daily stats pretty easily. You have your last workout, your heart rate, sleep pattern, blood oxygen, of course, and when you go to this exercise zone here, you can start and stop your exercise from here. The watch actually has unlimited watch faces to choose from. These unlimited dial patterns, plus what you can do is you can edit one of the dials that you want and you can select a customized picture here. Obviously, I want a picture of my dog on my watch. I've synced the data and you can see the picture that I selected on my watch dial. Plus, you can switch on and off all the notifications that you get. For example, incoming SMS call reminder, device alarm, goal notifications. It also has drinking reminder, which we often forget, so you can start the time and end the time. And you can also choose the drinking frequency from 30 minutes, 60 minutes, however you want it. You can customize a whole lot of things. The only thing I'm not sure about this watch is the durability, because we have to wear it on daily basis, right? I haven't worn it long enough to give you a verdict on that, but by looking at it, it does look durable. If you can get so much out of one device and at such an attractive price that makes your life easier on daily basis, I think GizFit 910 is a good option for you. Thank you for watching India Ahead News. Please like, share and subscribe for a lot of tech content.